need to panic. There are loads of opportunities in the Indian IT space, and India revenues are on track to clock double-digit growth. So says Paul Hermelin, the chairman of Capgemini, in this interview to CNBC TV 18's Kritika Saxena. He says he will hold, or rather holds, a strong spending outlook in financial services and retail.
After Gartner, Forrester and IDC slashed their IT spending forecasts, the Indian IT sector has been readying for some tough times. But Paul Hermelin, the chairman of global IT giant Capgemini, says all this talk of a slowdown in IT spending is unwarranted. He clarifies that IT spending in financial services and retail is still strong.
Today, the most active segments would be financial service and consumer goods and retail. These are very hot segments. And we have a different demand, but we are very strong in energy and utilities. So these are the three dominant ones. Manufacturing and auto comes as a fourth one, but a little less active. So these are quite active segments. The segments that are a little lower would be today public sector and telco. For us, we see a lot of consolidation, so less excitement on the telco side today.
Okay. But no reason to panic as such.
Not only to panic, but we will plan growth in India. We will plan, my goal is still to grow double digits.
Hermelin sees Capgemini's ongoing integration with recently acquired iGate to fuel this drive. But he's quick to add that Capgemini will go back on the hunt for a new acquisition in India once this integration is complete.
The group today has still a big European footprint, 60% of the group, and it might be a little too much. So we will not sell anything in Europe, but we might want to increase our presence in other markets, North America and the rest. So once clear evidence of the iGate integration will be available, we will continue with our acquisition strategy. And I think today it will be quite focused on either some vertical that we do not service today or skills. Everybody talk about cloud and digital and cybersecurity. These are probably our three main focus areas.
One key focus for Capgemini is the digital space. While the company has increased its India headcount to 80,000 employees, that's 50% of overall employee base, the company is tweaking its hiring and skilling programs to shift towards a more digital footprint. The aim is to hike the contribution of its digital business to 25% of total revenues by the end of FY17 from the current 22%. In Mumbai, Kritika Saxena.